Oil failed to maintain the uptrend and the market opened the session on a pessimistic note. Crude prices are falling amid increased fears of a looming global recession, which is definitely a bearish factor for oil traders. The risk of a new virus cases outburst in China, the world's largest oil importer, puts pressure on the commodities market. Unfortunately, the mortality rate and the number of new cases are increasing in China. To boost energy consumption, local authorities have raised fuel export quotas for 2023. At the same time, the easing of virus restrictions gives some hope that China's economy will recover at a faster pace in the long term. What's more, the unusually warm winter in Europe is keeping oil prices low, thus easing the fears of an energy crisis and worries about energy shortages, in particular Russian gas supplies. The harsh winter that was predicted earlier never happened. Besides, Germany has finally launched its first liquified natural gas terminal. As we can see on the chart, Brent crude keeps trading sideways in the narrow price range. On Wednesday, the quote is testing the support level at $82 per barrel. The ruble is trading in line with the sentiment in the oil market, while the rest of the world has got back to normal after the holidays, and the Russian market is still off for the New Year holidays, which will be over next week. The dollar-ruble pair is hovering in the range between 70 and 72 rubles per US dollar. In the meantime, gold is rallying amid negative market sentiment. The yellow metal has broken above the resistance level of $1,825 per ounce and is trying to settle in this zone, which confirms the bullish bias. Notably, the asset is appreciating even despite a strong US dollar. This is how investors respond to recession threat in the United States and the coronavirus situation in China. Besides, global central banks may ease their monetary policies in the current unfavorable conditions, which is another supporting factor for gold. The quote has already approached the key level of $1,850 per ounce, and this is a pivotal point for traders, as gold may intensify its rise from this and hit for the upper target of $1,875. Otherwise, it may reverse to the downside and traders may start taking profit on the long positions. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.